What up, YouTube? Broke Farm back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And I'm gonna be harvesting and storing my herbs, and I'm gonna be picking and tasting some fruit. Harvest, harvest, harvest. All right, the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna dehydrate in these paper bags. I gotta dehydrate them, but I wanna see how this goes. It's a simple method. I'm gonna put the herbs in the bag, close them up, and put them in the shed, let them dry out. Then I got fresh herbs, y'all. Fresh herbs, no whammies. All right, I got my dill bag, super dehydrated 3000, and I'm gonna chop. I've never ever harvested dill before. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna chop, put it in the bag, and dry it up. If y'all know something I don't know, please put it in the comments, but be nice. I got feelings too. Man, not sold on the smell, but you never know, man. Hopefully I have a bunch of cucumbers. So, oh, it do smell like pickles. Hey, smell it. Smells just like pickles. That's crazy. Okay, but I'm just gonna chop it, put it in the bag, y'all. I don't know how I can make that any easier. And we're gonna see how it turns out. That's enough dill. Forever in my house, we barely eat dill. I don't even know if we ever ate dill. So that's the dill. I got it all chopped back. I got it in a paper bag. And I'm just gonna close it up. It's a big deal, y'all. It's a big deal. This is spearmint. I love mint tea. So I need this plant to grow forever. But not like my other mint. I need it to stay in this container. So ideally, put it in the bag, let it dry a little bit. I've drank fresh mint tea and it's delicious also, super strong. But I'm gonna let it dry in the bag and then just pop the leaves off once it dries. Sound like a good plan, don't it? It's a great plan. Great plan, bro. Great plan. So, and mint grow and grow. So, I've had a little experience with chopping mint, and what I do, I just chop it back, y'all, and put it in the bag. So everybody buying mint tea off Amazon, look here, it's about $372 worth of mint tea, bags not included. Ooh, that's a big haircut. That's a big haircut. She's going to the ball. All right. That's way more mint than I thought I had in this little thing. Mint tea, y'all. Now this is the one I need some help with. Is it okay to still use this thyme when it got the flowers on it? I'm gonna hold off. I'm not gonna do it to the flowers, do whatever the flowers gonna do. I don't know if that messed with the taste or not. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Let's get some of this good oregano. First time ever growing oregano. It seemed to like it here. So I'm gonna give a big haircut. And hopefully I can get enough oregano for the whole year. I don't cook, but my wife says she uses oregano. So yeah, that's a good haircut. And this stuff will grow back really fast. So brown bag, cut it in there. I got a little room for a little more oregano, y'all. Let's get a little more oregano. Paper bag. Let's go.
the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready, been ready. I waited, my turn, on God, held steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy, Brody, moving state to state. Make $1 million out to send me. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking.
All right, I'm inside my shed. And this is where I dry a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna leave it in these bags, I don't know, for 2 weeks, or unless we want some of it. And then you don't have to let it dry completely out to use it. I use fresh peppermint all the time because it grows everywhere in my yard. Just like this chocolate mint. The way this chocolate mint smell, I'm taking this in the house immediately. Do you hear me? Immediately. This stuff smells delicious. I will be drinking this today, and I'm gonna tell you my true opinion how it tastes. Okay? But yeah, growing and storing herbs don't have to be hard. Cheap, simple way to do this. These are just sandwich bags that you can get from, I don't know, the Dollar Tree for $1.25 or whatever. But don't make it hard. I mean, I got a dehydrator, but this is way simpler than waiting hours for something to dehydrate. Just put it in the bag and wait for a couple weeks and then use it at your own leisure. You know what I mean? Y'all ask, bro, what are you gonna harvest today? Sweet peas, sweet peas. Well, one of the things I'm harvesting. Look at these peas. Ooh, 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 ooh. I just ate 3 and I said, hey y'all, let's turn the camera on. I usually wait till they bulging out a little bit. Not obese, but been eating fast food all weekend. So yeah, that's what we picking, y'all. But you gotta look for them, cause a lot of them flat. That ain't no bean, y'all. That ain't no bean. You gotta put the work in. Take your time and find the good ones. Good ones. She been in windows all weekend, y'all. Let's go back around. For some reason, they growing better on this side. However you want to grow. I can't tell you how to do what you do, but I'm glad you're doing what you're doing. That's all I can say about that. So we got a few there. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Now look, y'all, I'll come back and tell y'all what I ended up with. Y'all ain't got to sit here and watch me pick everyone. But look at that. All right, y'all, let's get some blueberries. Looking kind of good. Let me pull this bird net now. Birds done getting on, y'all. Now, ooh, I dropped one. They got Uno, and they loved it. Somebody told me about this bird netting. You might lose a couple blueberries, but I ain't gonna lose them all, baby. Look at them pink lemonade. Let's get some. Now I gotta be honest, I've already ate some. Look how big that is. That's a big blueberry. That's a grocery store blueberry. That's a Kroger stopper, y'all. I'm not going to Kroger to get no blueberry. All right, bird. Shut up, bird. Shut up. Sorry, y'all. You know how it is over here. But yeah. Look at all the blueberries, y'all. Look at all the blueberries. We got blueberries down there. Yes, you is. You right. You pinkish. And to be honest, y'all, I've ate them at all stages. This is not sweet right here. But sometimes they look the right color on the top and you pick them. I eat them anyway. Anyway, we got some all in the grind. Get out the grind. I want you too. All right, y'all. Uh-oh. And they all don't turn at the same time, so you can come back. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how much I got it in. All right, that's what the blueberry harvest looking like for the day. That's a lot of blueberries. I am literally blueberry rich, y'all. I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. And I still got plenty of blueberries. I got plenty of blueberries. I got clusters on clusters on clusters on clusters. All right, y'all. I've been harvesting a lot of strawberries. I've been eating more than the birds, y'all. That's a big win. Now, somebody asked why my strawberries look kind of whitish when I harvest them. If they start turning, I go ahead and take them in the house. I've seen some of them ripening up, so I go for it, y'all. Look at that. Straight off the vine, y'all. Straight off the vine, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on now. Holla if you hear me. Let's get some more, y'all. Look at that. Little white on it, mostly red. We're gonna get that. Now, I was not on my game. That got overly ripe. The birds didn't even want it. I got you now, though, baby. I got you now. Couple more. I'm gonna leave that for a little while longer. All right, y'all. Uh-oh. Look at that. And I got these on these big pine bark nuggets or whatever. I have a whole lot less snail pressure. I don't know if it's because of this pine bark or whatever, but this is what I would use in my strawberry bed forever. Now, I didn't catch all of them. Bird got me though. It got me. Just gonna put it around the fruit tree. But it's strawberries on strawberries on strawberries, y'all. Yeah, they're everywhere, y'all. We just gotta look for them. All right, y'all, that's the harvest. A lot of blueberries, a couple strawberries, and sweet pea, sweet pea. This is my Fuyu persimmon. First year in the ground. She got a little flower. Oh, camera, don't do me like this. Little flowers. You see them flowers? See them flowers? Oh boy, camera is a hater. Let me come on the other side, y'all. This camera is gonna be a hater. Right there. Flower. There's flowers everywhere. Flower. Flower power. Flower power. And the harvest I've been waiting on. Come on out there, babe. Come on out there. Let me get at him. Nah, I've never eaten loquats before. Be my first time, y'all. On camera. All right. I've seen people. Uh-oh. Some juice came up. Tastes kind of like a sweet muscadine. That was different and refreshing. All right, I got one more. Let's see if this one tastes better. Yeah, kind of like a sweet muscadine. I don't know how to explain it. If it gets sweeter than that, I love loquat. Delicious. The whole purpose of this video, I said before the season started, I was gonna take growing herbs way more serious, and I was gonna harvest and use my herbs, not just grow them, but use them. And this video just highlight me saying what I'm gonna do and doing it. I also harvested some beautiful fruit. So don't let that fall by the wayside. Great video. I love this video because I love harvesting. If you love harvesting, put in the comment, I love harvesting. I'm out.